Hi folks, hope you enjoyed your weekend. Miserable day in London at the moment. It's warmed up quite a bit now. It's gone from, yesterday was probably -3 to this time of day. It's about 8 degrees now, centigrade, but it's wet and rainy. Still, we can't really go anywhere, can we? We're all locked down, so-called. All getting fed up with it. I've just done this one for Patreon, a wetting wet. If you're having a problem with the wetting wet buckling up, all you need to do, so I always put these lovely clips on. When you wet the paper, leave it to expand. Well, keep the clips on till you want to make the adjustment. And then when it expands, as it will, take a couple of clips off and just put it tight. And then you do that after you put your washers in, your early wash, and then through the course of the painting it will still grow. But when I've done my washes, like the sky and the water, or the underpainting for the water, I then dry the paper, dry the whole lot with a hairdryer, and that will shrink it a bit, and then it will stay perfectly flat. Perfectly flat. Look, it's a £90 weight Saunders Waterford paper, clipped, and there's hardly any bounce in that whatsoever. It's a beautiful paper, the Saunders Waterford, £90. This is a cold press paper. I do use the rough as well. I've also got a lot of £200 weight Saunders Waterford and Bockingford that my pal Dennis Eves sent to me a few weeks ago. It was very kind of him. Just a basic hake painting. So I hope you like that one, folks. Have a go yourself and see what you come up with. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. I'll put the mount back on. Hold on. You get a better idea of what it's like with the mount on it. There we are. If the horizon's a bit crooked, you can always shift it in the mount. Bye bye.